Hi everyone, this is Erick at SkinzTek. We're working on this 2023 Hummer EV. Client came in looking to match the two front windows to the back factory glass tint. As you can tell here, our tint meter is reading 17%. So we're gonna go ahead and match it with 3M Obsidian 15%.